Who am I?
I'm Luca.
I'm Lavisha.
I'm Zoe.
I'm Jisoo. I'm Diane.
I'm Carla.
So today we'll be doing
A blindfold video for our Advent calendar that's coming up.
We've been summoned to play with
Some stuff.
from the Advent calendar. This isn't the Advent calendar, but product is in here.
Very mysterious.
Somewhere. So we're gonna be blindfolded now, and then we're gonna guess what's inside this.
Did you find it?
I did.
Okay.
This one.
You can. Not yet. Okay, we started already, by the way. Oh,
Wait!
oh, it's lipstick?
Eyeliner. Wait! You were so fast, it was just like half thinking. It was like eyeliner.
How is the eyeliner so thick?
What the hell? Yo, I got it. It's like a box. What the hell?
Is it
I think it might be an eyeshadow like cube.
No! Yes! No! wait. Because you grabbed it, you know what?
I thought that was the point, no?
Oh, it's round. Is it round?
It's round.
100 years later.
Cushion blush. I did?
I guess I removed my blindfold.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so bright. Whew. Oh my god. I don't even. This is supposed to be like on here or what? Oh.
So,
Careful. Yeah, very good.
it's supposed to be like this, right?
Not too high. You
Not too
could
high.
put it against my eye.
Oh,
Okay, no, that's my nose.
I think I'm done.
Yeah, I think so.
Right?
What do you think? Do I look good? Korean style?
Korean style.
I guess it's Korean
I cannot
style.
see.
You cannot?
Wait.
Here's the product in my hand.
Down? Up? Wait.
Don't move.
I think it's okay. Yeah, up. That's my upper lip. Keep going. Straight. No. I did. Does it come with any? Just do this.
No! You didn't do that.
Oh, then do this. Which one's lighter?
This is lighter. This one's darker.
So the top one is darker.
Yeah. Down. Okay. I close my eyes. Okay. Closer. My beautiful face. I don't even know what I look like. I actually don't know what I look like.
Oh wow! I'm a genius.
I mean, I like the color.
But not the way you
But not the way
How
you
dare you, man?
You're just like, ugh.
No, I was very careful. I was like, Just your eyes were in the wrong, shape.
What? My eyes are the right shape.
Your eyes are.
They are eye shaped.
What the hell does that mean?
I don't normally look like that.
I like the color though.
Yeah?
Reddish.
What is the actual color?
Show off your
Should I?
beauty.
How do you do that in Korea normally? Like with the heart
like the
and
selfie mode, you know?
the selfie. Oh god.
Okay, here goes. Oh, that hurt.
Wait, I see myself. Okay, from the scale from 1 to 10.
Like 0.
Oh no.
Look at me.